Echo Spherical design with rich sound, Smart Home Hub, and Alexa are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. Elle did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the Echo Spherical design with rich sound, Smart Home Hub, and Alexa for men from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, Elle discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Premium sound, rich, detailed sound that automatically adapts to any room. Supports lossless HD audio, available on select streaming services such as Amazon Music HD. Voice control your music, stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and more. HD requires a compatible music streaming service. Smart Home Hub, built-in hub to voice control compatible lights, locks, and sensors. Easily set up compatible Zigbee devices or select Ring Smart lighting, solar lights, and bulbs. Alexa is ready to help set timers, reminders, and alarms. Alexa answers questions like, "Alexa, what time is it?" Start your routines with motion, turn on compatible lights, play your flash briefing, or turn on the coffee maker when you walk into the room. Fill your home with sound, with multi-room music. Play synchronized music across Echo devices in different rooms. Or pair your Echo with compatible Fire TV devices to feel scenes come to life with home theater audio. Connect with others hands-free, call friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device. Instantly drop in on other rooms or announce to the whole house that dinner's ready. Privacy controls, designed to protect your privacy. Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic off button. Number 2. Alexa can show you even more with a 10.1-inch HD screen that's designed to move with you. Video calls, recipes, and shows are always in view. The speakers deliver premium, directional sound. Stay in frame, video call friends and family, or take a picture, while the 13MP camera with auto framing and motion keeps you front and center. Smart Home made simple setup, compatible Zigbee devices or smart products without a separate hub. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. Take a look around when you're away. Securely access the built-in camera to remotely monitor your home anytime with the Alexa app or other Echo Show devices. So much entertainment. Ask Alexa to play your favorite shows, music, and podcasts from Prime Video, Netflix, Amazon Music, Spotify, and more. The ultimate kitchen companion. Get daily personalized recipes, cook along hands-free with step-by-step instructions, set timers, and add to your grocery list. Put your memories on display. Use Amazon Photos and Alexa for a picture-perfect pairing. You can turn your home screen into a digital frame, share your favorites with friends and family, and even take photos. Plus, Prime members get unlimited photo storage. Designed to protect your privacy, Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic/camera off button and a built-in camera shutter. Disable motion at any time. Number 3. Enjoy an immersive audio experience. 5 speakers produce powerful bass with improved clarity, deeper bass, dynamic mid-range, and crisp highs. Dolby Atmos technology adds space, clarity, and depth. Voice control your music. Stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, and more. With Amazon Music HD, enjoy access to 90 million songs in lossless audio formats, like HD or Ultra HD, and select songs in spatial audio formats like Dolby Atmos. Adapts to any room, automatically senses the acoustics of your space, fine-tuning playback for optimal sound. Built-in Smart Home Hub, Ask Alexa to control Zigbee-compatible devices. Ready to help. Ask Alexa to play music, read the news, and answer questions. Keep your family in sync. Use your Alexa devices like an intercom and talk to any room in the house with drop-in and announcements. Designed to protect your privacy. Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic off button. Number 4. Meet the Echo. Our most popular smart speaker with Alexa. The sleek, compact design delivers crisp vocals and balanced bass for full sound. Voice control your entertainment. Stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and others. Play music, audiobooks, and podcasts throughout your home with multi-room music. Ready to help. Ask Alexa to tell a joke, play music, answer questions, play the news, check the weather, set alarms, and more. Control your smart home. Use your voice to turn on lights, adjust thermostats, and lock doors with compatible devices. Start routines with your motion. Turn on compatible lights, play your flash briefing, or turn on the coffee maker when you walk into the room. Connect with others hands-free. Call friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device. Instantly drop in on other rooms or announce to the whole house that dinner's ready. Designed to protect your privacy, Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic off button. Number 5. Alexa can show you even more. 8-inch HD touchscreen, adaptive color, and stereo speakers bring entertainment to life. Make video calls with a 13MP camera that uses auto-framing to keep you centered. Stay in frame. Make video calls with a new camera that frames and centers automatically. Simply ask Alexa to call your contacts. Make life easier at home. Glance at your calendars and reminders. Get daily recipe ideas and cook along hands-free with step-by-step instructions. Use your voice to set timers, update lists, and see news or traffic updates. Manage your smart home look-in when you're away with the built-in camera. Control compatible devices like cameras, lights, and more using the interactive display, your voice, or your motion. Be entertained. Enjoy TV shows and movies in HD and stereo with Prime Video, Netflix, and more. Or ask Alexa to stream Amazon Music, Apple Music, or Spotify. Put your memories on display. Use Amazon Photos to turn your home screen into a digital frame. Adaptive color helps your favorite photos look great in any light. Designed to protect your privacy, Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic/camera off button and a built-in camera shutter. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.